Question number 7. The ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7. The ratio of their expenses is 4:3. Every person saves rupees 200. Find the income of each person. Okay. Therefore, here first we write the ratio of income of two persons is 9:7. Okay, this is the ratio of income. Therefore, let common multiple of income be X. When ratio is given, then always take common multiple. Common multiple means hidden number. That is multiple. Did you get it? Therefore, the income of first person, series 9 into X, rupees 9x, and same to same means we write here dicto. The income of second person is equal to rupees 7x. 9:7, first person 9 and for second person 7. 9 into x, 7 into x. Did you get it?
Yes.
Similarly, we have given, what is given here? Similarly, we have given the ratio of their expenses. Okay, expenses, ratio of expenses is, what is 4:3. Did you get it? Therefore, let common multiple of their expenses be Y. Therefore, the expenses of first person is equal to rupees 4y, and dicto the expenses of second person is equal to rupees 3y. Did you get it?
Yes.
Now, when there is income, then income is divided into two parts. Income is divided into two parts. Which are those? Savings and expenses. Income that is divided into two parts. Therefore, general formula: income is equal to expenses or expenditure. Expenses plus savings. Did you get it? Now, say this carefully. Say this carefully. Here. Therefore, for first person, see here. For first person, what is the income of first person? We put here. This is general formula. Means income of first person is equal to expenses of first person plus savings of first person. Did you get it? Yes. So 9x income of first person, expenses of first person. See here. Expenses of first person 4y plus savings of first person. Each person saves rupees 200. Did you get it? Now take this 4y to left side, plus becomes minus, is equal to, this is our equation number 1. Similarly, for second person, okay, same way, income of second person, what is 7x is equal to expenditure or expenses of second person, and saving same, no, 200. Same way we take 3y to the left side. Therefore 7x minus 3y is equal to 200. Now here coefficients of x and y are not same or equal. So we equate coefficients of variable y and we eliminate variable y, because there is question find their incomes. Find their incomes. So we want value of x. X is the common multiple of income. Did you get it? Therefore, multiplying equation 1 by, see this is our 1, equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4. Did you get it? Now see this carefully. Equation number 1 multiplying equation 1 by 3. 9 into 3. Did you get it? 27x. 4 into 3. 12 and y is equal to 3 into 200. 600. This is our new equation number 3. Now we multiply equation 2 by 4. See here, 7 into 4, 28x minus 12y is equal to 4 into 200, 800. Did you get it? Now here coefficients are equal but signs are same. So by subtraction, did you get it? minus plus minus minus 12y plus 12y cancel. Now 27 and 28. 28 is bigger, so we give sign of bigger and subtraction. 1x minus 1x or only minus x is equal to 800 is 600. 800 bigger, give sign of bigger and subtraction. Therefore both negative, no? So becomes positive. Therefore common multiple of their incomes is 200. X is equal to 200. Therefore the income of first person, the income of first person is equal to rupees 9x is equal to rupees 9 into 200 is equal to rupees 1800, means 1800 rupees. After getting the income of first person, we will find the income of second person is equal to rupees 7x. Okay. Therefore, here the income of second person is equal to rupees 7 into value of x. Value of x is 200. Therefore, the income of second person is equal to rupees 1400. Question number 8. If the length of a rectangle is reduced by 5 units and its breadth is increased by 3 units, then the area of the rectangle is reduced by 9 square unit. 9 square unit. If length is reduced, by 3 units and breadth is increased by 2 units, then the area of rectangle will increase by 67 square units. Then find the length and breadth of the rectangle. Now see this. Let the length of original rectangle is equal to x units and ditto the breadth of the original rectangle, again ditto, is equal to y units. Did you get it? The length of original rectangle is equal to x units and the breadth of original rectangle is equal to y units. Therefore, area of the original rectangle is equal to length, we represent here, okay, L, and here breadth B. Therefore, we write here length into breadth. No, area of the original rectangle is equal to L into B is equal to X into Y square units. Did you get it? XY square units. This is the area of the original rectangle. Now see here. Now we have given, see this carefully, we have given if the length of the rectangle is reduced by 5 units. What is the length? L, that is reduced by, reduced means minus, reduced by 5 units means L is equal to X minus 5. This is new rectangle after reduction of length by 5 units, and its breadth is increased by 3 units. See here, and breadth y increased by 3 units means y plus 3 units. Did you get it? Then the area of rectangle is reduced by 9 square units. 9 square units. See here, therefore area of new rectangle is equal to, see here, then the area of the rectangle is reduced by 9 units than the area of the original rectangle. Area of the original rectangle. Did you get it? Now area of new rectangle, what is? L into B. L into B, new rectangle, L into B, what is L? X minus 5 into B, y plus 3 is equal to area of the original rectangle, X, Y. Series area of the original rectangle, XY square units, minus 9. Did you get it? X into Y, XY, X into 3, 3x, minus 5 into Y, minus 5y, minus into plus, minus 5 into 3, 15 is equal to xy minus 9. Did you get it? Then xy cancelled. Then what is left? Therefore 3x minus 5y is equal to, we take this to the right side, minus 9 plus 15. Therefore 3x minus 5y is equal to 6. Equation number 1. Did you get it? Same way, or we say similarly, we have given, here we have given, what is given? Listen carefully. If length is reduced, if length, what is length of original? X units. Length of original rectangle is reduced by 3 units. By 3 units means L is equal to x minus 3 and B is equal to, here, by 3 units, and breadth is increased by 2 units. Breadth is increased, means y plus 2 units. Did you get it? Therefore, same way we write here. Same here. We write this. Okay. Area of second new rectangle. Second new rectangle. What is L into B? L into B means area of second new rectangle from this L and B is equal to area of the original rectangle, means here. Then the area of rectangle will increase by 67 square units. Increase by 67 units than the original. Okay, x into y, x into plus 2x, minus 3 into y, minus 3y, minus into plus, minus 3 into 2, 6 is equal to xy plus 67. Cancelled. xy same na. Therefore 2x minus 3y is equal to 67, and this like term for this 67 we take to the right side, becomes plus 6. Therefore 2x minus 3y is equal to 73. Did you get it? Now here coefficients of x are not same and y are also not same. So we equate the coefficients of any one of the variables. Now see here, for elimination of x, multiplying equation 1 by this 2 and equation 2 by this 3. Did you get it? Therefore, see here, multiplying this by 2 into 3x, 6x minus 5y into 2, 10y is equal to 6 into 2, 12. New equation. Same way we multiply to this by 3 into 2 and x minus 3 into 3, 9 and y, and 3 into 73. 3 3s are 9 and 3 7s are, what is 21, means 219. Now coefficients are same or equal, but as well as signs are also same or equal. Then by subtraction, okay. 6x cancelled. Here 10y bigger than 9y, so minus 1y, but we write only minus y. And here subtraction, minus 207. This bigger number, no, so we give sign of this. Therefore y is equal to 207. This is the breadth of the original rectangle in units. Okay, substituting in equation which is simple equation, this or this, take any one. In equation we write equation 2. Therefore, see here, this is our equation number 2. We put value of y. See here, 2x minus 3 into value of y we put here is equal to 73. Therefore, 2x minus 3 sevens are 3 into 0, 0, and that 2. 3 to the 6 is equal to 73. Did you get it? Therefore, 2x is equal to 73 plus 621. Now, therefore, we write here, therefore, 2x is equal to, therefore, 2x is equal to 694. See here, 1 plus 3, 4, 2 plus 7, 9, and this 6. Therefore, x is equal to 694 upon 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 3s are 2 4s are 8 and 2 7s are. X is equal to 347. Therefore, the length L, length of the original rectangle is equal to x units. No, is equal to x is equal to 347 units. This is length. I will write here L. Okay. Therefore, the breadth of the original rectangle is equal to y units. Therefore, b is equal to, what is value of y? 207 units. Question number 9. The distance between two places A and B. Distance between two places A and B on road is 70 kilometer. Distance between A and B, 70 kilometers. A car starts from A and the other from B. If they travel in the same direction, this or this, okay, in the same direction, they will meet each other. They will meet each other after 7 hours. After 7 hours, see here, A goes towards B and C, but B and this B also goes towards same direction, means this way. A goes towards C, then B also goes towards C, means in the same direction, and they will meet after 7 hours, means time required. Time required, what is 7 hours? See this carefully. Okay. If they travel towards each other, they will meet after 1 hour. I will show that another figure afterwards. Then find their speeds. Therefore, let the speed of the car at A. Let the speed of the car at A is equal to x kilometer per hour, and the speed of the car at B is equal to y kilometer per hour. Did you get it? Now, see here, we know time taken by both the cars and we know the speeds of both the cars. From this, we write general formula from physics. Distance covered, total distance covered is equal to speed into time. Did you get it? Now listen carefully. Distance is equal to speed into time. Therefore, distance covered by car at A. Distance covered by car at A. What is the speed? Speed. And time required means time into speed or speed into time. What is distance? Very good, very clever boy. 7x kilometer. Very good. Distance is always in kilometer, meter, centimeter, millimeter, like that. Okay. And distance covered by car at B is equal to same formula. So I said general formula. Time into speed. What is speed of car at B? And time required? Therefore, 7 into y. Distance is equal to 7y kilometer. Did you get it? Yes. Now, see here carefully. A is at here. Car. See this. Car at A. Car at A. Car at B. Both reaches at point C or place C. Okay. Then which car covers more distance?
Car at A.
Car at A. How much? How much? How many kilometers more? Array, what is this distance?
70 kilometers.
Then how many kilometers more distance covered by car at A? 70 kilometers. Very good. Then B. See here. But car at A covers 70 kilometer distance more than car at
B.
B. Did you get it? means from this condition, therefore from this condition, see here carefully, from this condition, see, car at A covers 70 km distance more. See this. See here. 70 kilometers distance more. More means plus. 70 kilometer distance more than car at B. See this. Distance covered by car at B, and here distance covered by car at A. Now distance covered by car at A, what is 7x kilometer. Distance covered by car at B plus 70. Now all these are divisible by 7, but don't divide. Take 7y to the left side. Okay, this is our equation number 1. Did you get it? Very, very interesting example. Now, see here, if they travel in the same direction, then we get this equation number 1. If they travel towards each other, see this. This place A and place B. Car at A travels towards B and car at B travels toward A. Did you get it? They meet each other after 1 hour. 1 hour. Did you get it? Time. This is time and this is distance. 70 kilometer. Did you get it? Therefore, see this, distance covered by car at A. Therefore, distance covered by car at A. Distance is equal to speed into time. No, or time into speed. Time into speed. What is time into speed? 1x or only x. Very good. And ditto. See here, distance covered by car at B. Time into speed. 1y. Very good. 1y kilometer. Now both the cars covered total distance. How much? Are both the cars covered total distance 70 kilometer. Therefore, distance covered by car at A, what is 1x, right? X plus distance covered by car at B, 1y. No? Means we write y. Total distance covered by both these cars is 70. Did you get it? Now, for elimination of y, or another method also, substitution method. No? We can use that substitution method also. That is very, very simple. Did you get it? We take this x to the right side. Becomes minus. This is equation number 2. Substituting in equation 1, we substitute value of y here, series. Therefore, 7x minus 7 into value of y, 70 minus x. Did you get it? Is equal to 70. Therefore, 7x minus 490 minus into minus plus 7x is equal to 70. Therefore, 7x plus 7x, 14x is equal to, we take this to the right side. Minus becomes plus. Therefore, 14x is equal to 70 plus 490 means 560. Therefore, x is equal to 560 upon 14. Therefore, x is equal to 40. Substituting in equation 2, series, simple. Y is equal to 70 minus x. This is our equation number 2. Therefore, y is equal to 70 minus 40 is equal to 30. Means y is equal to 30. Therefore, the speed of car at A is equal to x kilometer per hour is equal to 40 kilometer per hour, and the speed of car at B is equal to y kilometer per hour is equal to 30 kilometer per hour. Example number 10, the sum of the two-digit numbers and the number obtained by interchanging the digits is 99, and 3 times the tens place digit is equal to the 3 more than units place digit. Then find the two-digit number. See here. Now first we write here, let tens place digit is equal to x, and units place digit is equal to y. Therefore, original two-digit number number is equal to original 2-digit number tens place digit x. So we multiply to tens place digit by 10 and units place digit y. So we add this units place digit into 1 because units place. So 1 into y. So original 2-digit number is equal to 10x plus y. Now after interchanging the digits, see here the new 2-digit number. Now after interchanging the digits means, see here, when suppose there is 45, suppose number is there 45, then units place 5, tens place 4. Now we interchange means 5 becomes tens place and 4 becomes units place means 54. No, same way here tens place x here, but we interchange, then that becomes y and units place becomes x. Did you get it? Means interchange. When we interchange the digits, then what happens? 2-digit number, the new 2-digit number 10y plus x. Did you get it? Therefore, from first condition, see here, the original number, the sum of original number and the number which is obtained after interchanging the digits is 99. Did you get it? Therefore, the original 2-digit number plus sum, so we write plus the new 2-digit number is equal to 99. Sum is 99. Therefore, 10x plus y plus 10y plus x is equal to 99. Did you get it? Now 10x plus x 11x plus y plus 10y 11y is equal to 99. Did you get it? Here you may divide to all three terms by 11 or keep as it is, no problem. Okay, we write here equation number 1. Did you get it? Now from second condition. What is our second condition? See this carefully. Now second condition, 3 times the tens plus a digit. Tens plus digit is equal to 3 more, 3 more than units less digit. Did you get it? Therefore, 3 into tens plus digit is equal to units plus a digit plus 3. Did you get it? Now take this y to the left side. 3x minus y is equal to 3. Equation number 2. Now here, for elimination of y, multiplying equation 2 by 11. Multiplying equation 2 by 11. 11 into 3x, 33x minus 11 into y means 11y is equal to 33. Did you get it? This is new number 3. Now exactly below we write equation number 1. 11x plus 11y is equal to 99. This is our original equation number 1. Now we have here same coefficients of variable y, no, and signs are opposite, so by addition these are cancelled, so addition of these two, 44x, and here 2 carry 1, 132. Therefore x is equal to 132 upon 44 is equal to 44 3s. X is equal to 3. Did you get it? Now we substituting in equation this 2. That is very simple. In equation 2. Then see this. 3x minus y is equal to 3. This is equation number 2. We put value of x. 3 into 3 minus y is equal to 3. Therefore, this 3 into 3, 9. We take this 3 to the left side, like terms together. And I have told many times variable should be positive. Did you get it? Therefore, y is equal to 6. Did you get it? Therefore, original 2-digit number, original 2-digit number is equal to 10x plus y is equal to, we write here 10 into value of x 3 plus value of y is equal to 30 plus 6. 30 plus 6 is equal to 36. Did you get it?